Credit Card Connect. SpringPoint's Credit Card Connect is one of the fastest growing features within the SpringPoint suite. The world, technology, and the electrical apparatus industry are evolving and becoming more interconnected every day. With the SpringPoint suite, allowing your employees and customers to easily process credit card payments. With Credit Card Connect, your customers can pay invoices through the customer web portal. Your customers can view their unpaid invoices, pay all, pay individually, or partially pay any invoice selected. To process their payments, customers will be prompted to enter their credit card information. If their browser allows, they may choose to have their payment methods stored for easy access later. Once they submit their payment, they will be notified that their payment was successful and then receive an emailed receipt. Within Motorbase, the customer payment is auto-created, paying the appropriate invoices. All information is populated, including the batch number that will relate to your credit card settlement report. All this happens in real time. SpringPoint Connect also allows swipe integration or manually processing from within the SpringPoint Suite accounting section. To learn more about Credit Card Connect or any of our products, contact SpringPoint by email, sales@springpt.com, or visit our website and get connected.